What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today, we have a quick and easy recipe for you guys. We are going to make some oven baked chicken jerk barbecue. It is a very easy recipe that we just marinate the chicken and bake it under the oven. And for this recipe, we are going to use the all-in-one organic jerk barbecue marinade. If you're interested and want to see this recipe, please continue watching.
Cooking made easy.
Before we start with our recipe, my name is Claude Mart and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in three different heat levels. We have a regular, a mild, and a spicy. We also have organic pickles, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our product, I will make sure to have the link in the description below. Okay, let's start with our recipe. So for our recipe, we have some chicken that I already cleaned them, but I leave the skin on. We are using the organic jerk barbecue marinade. This jerk barbecue marinade is sweet and spicy at the same time. And I'm gonna be using this tray that I got from Amazon. I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And we are also gonna be using some oil. Guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipes, I also post video behind the scene of how I package my product to send to my customers. And I also share a lot of small business tips. If that is something that you are interested on, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so here is a closer look of the organic jerk barbecue marinade seasoning. This is an all-in-one, and when you are using this seasoning, please minimize your salt intake. And this seasoning, you can also use it on veggies as well. And if you are vegan or vegetarian, it is also safe to use. Just going to add a little bit of oil on the chicken. I am wearing gloves because our jerk marinade has some organic habanero in it, and I don't want my hands to burn. And this is the consistency of the marinade. And after I marinate the chicken, it is up to you. If you want, you can marinate this overnight and let it sit in the fridge. Our marinade is pretty strong, so even though you don't let it sit for long, the chicken, the meat will come perfect as well. And I always make a cut in my chicken so that when I'm putting the marinade, that the marinade really penetrates the meat. And this marinade will leave the chicken so juicy and tender and full with flavor. And we are going to bake this under the oven for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. And this is what the chicken looks like when it is fully coated and marinated with the seasoning. This is the tray that I am using. If you are baking potatoes as well as a side, or you have some veggie, you can also add them in the tray, and while the chicken is cooking, all the sauce is gonna be in the vegetable in the side that you have in the bottom. I got this tray from Amazon. So cute. I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Now let's add our chicken. This tray makes baking chicken so easy. And whatever seasoning that I have left, I'm just going to take a brush and brush the chicken with it. I am going to bake the chicken for 40 minutes under the oven. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the oven for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'm going to take it out the oven and use the rest of the seasoning that I have and brush it some more. And we are going to bake it under the oven 400 degrees. I already have my oven preheated. This is what our chicken looks like, and we are going to put it under the oven. As you can see, the chicken is cooking nicely. So it's been 20 minutes and so I just take it out the oven and I'm just going to brush it off with more of that seasoning. And then after that, I'm going to put it back in the oven. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I like the chicken extra juicy, so that's why I'm adding more of the seasoning. But if you want to let it cook through the full 40 minutes under the oven, you can do that as well. Alright, now let's put it back under the oven for an additional 20 minutes. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you like this recipe and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And as always guys, I will see you next time on our next video. Bye!
Cooking made easy.